All water applications are unique. Always consult a licensed engineer for plan development. This is an example of best practices for one specific design. Excavate for the wall and grid according to the wall plan. Line the excavation with landscape fabric extending 2 feet in front of the wall. Install and compact the leveling pad aggregate on top of the fabric. Install the base course block using best practices. Roll the fabric in front of the wall to cover the face of the base course. Backfill the entire cut with drainage rock. Then add additional fabric in front of the wall extending down at least 4 feet. Install the first layer of grid as per plan and install the next course of block. Add in the drain tile and daylight through the wall. Add additional clear backfill and compact. Install the next 2 courses of block, backfill, and compact after each course. Add in riprap specified in the plan in front of the wall to cover the fabric to a height of approximately 18 inches. Build the next course, backfill, and compact. Install the next layer of grid and lay the next course on the grid. Backfill with drainage rock to 12 inches behind the wall and compact. Add fabric on top of the grid and backfill with soil. Continue to build the wall using the pattern established, adding grid as specified in the plan.